Right. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an update. I really, really want to put my finger on the end of this crazy little creature. Oh, look at that. It's so deceiving. He looks so aggressive. But at the same time, look at his wings. Look at the wings. You see? They look like scales of a fish. Excuse my shaking. I'm very... My heart's going through the fucking roof right now. Let me just chill that fag down there. Right. I'll pick that up. I'll put that in the bin as well. I'll put that in the bin. But right now, for educational purposes, I'm gonna fucking put my finger. I've turned back into Josh. I'm no longer David Attenborough. Wait, no, this is David Attenborough. This is Josh. I'm going to touch my finger on the end of this little fucking thing. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, pray for my existence. Oh, now let's poke his bum. Ooh. He's not moving. Is it even real? Oh!
My guy wants to smoke me fucking fag. He wants to smoke me cigarette. I think that this video right here should be something that is completely and utterly viral. Like, he's dropped down there. To be fair, he don't want to smoke me fag no more. He's going away. He wants to fucking San Miguel.